zombie virus is the zombie stagger. This comes from some sort of disruption to the midbrain, an important system of dopamine-releasing neurons that project into various higher brain centers originates in the midbrain. The dopamine system is involved in the performance of voluntary movements, such as walking. The disruption of the midbrain is very likely to lead to the inability to walk correctly.
Another symptom of the zombie virus is zombie stupidity. The seat of complex thought, or the cerebrum, is the largest and most complex part of the human brain and is where the core of stimulation and sensory processing occurs. The cerebrum is split into two cerebral hemispheres, and each hemisphere is divided into 4 deep fissures called lobes. The lobes that appear to be most affected by the zombie virus are the occipital lobe, the parietal lobe, and the temporal lobe, or the visual, physical sensory, and speech/language processing units. Also in the cerebrum is the Broca's area, which is the home of the production of speech, and the Wernicke's area, which is the home of the comprehension of language. Studies have shown that damage to either of these areas would cause serious problems, as thoughts are coded in terms of language and speech. These areas have also been credited for handling the higher mental processes such as reasoning, remembering, planning, and problem solving.
The most problematic symptom of the zombie virus is increased appetite. This is most likely caused by limited function in the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a region below the thalamus that controls functions such as hunger, sleep, and emotions. The hormones that control the feeling of hunger are ghrelin, which increases your appetite, and leptin, which decreases your appetite. It seems as if the hypothalamus is producing ghrelin just fine. However, something must be causing a disruption in the production of leptin. An interference in the hypothalamus could also explain the sleep issues and rage in the zombies as well, considering that the hypothalamus has partial control over sleep and emotions.